Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my nails on camera with you guys. I was at Ulta and came across the red carpet starter kit, which costed about $35. So to get started, I am going to first shape and file my nails. I'm starting with the nail clipper before I pull the nail filer, as you can see. So here you want to just shape your nails in the shape you'd like. I am shaping them with a square instead of like a diamond shape, so you'll see me straighten out the ends of the nails and then keep the corners sharp. So that's what I'll be doing, and this allows me to just prep the nail for the base coat. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to grab a makeup brush and just brush away all of the nail dust that are on top of my nail. And then once I'm done with that, I'm then going to grab the nail tool to clean up underneath my nails where the brush did not capture or was able to clean off. So you'll see me do that here. Okay, so now that I'm done, I am now ready to apply the base coat to my nails. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you all the colors that I have. The starter kit came with the red color, but I purchased the nude color and a white color, as you can see. So I used the red color, which is called Seductive Star, for a few months, and then after I was tired of it and decided to use something that was more nudish or pink or natural looking. So I am going to use the Brewed Nude is the name of the color, and the kit instructions say to apply the base coat and immediately dip your nail into the powder. So you'll see me do that with first my pinky nail, and the instructions say to brush off the excess powder, but I'm going to keep it on. At first I was going to brush it off right away, but I remembered that I noticed that if I keep the powder on, for some reason it sticks longer to the base coat or to the nail when I don't brush it off right away. So you'll see me do that again. Apply the base coat, and you want to apply a good amount so that it'll catch all of the powder, and then immediately apply it. So I'm just gonna do that with every nail before on what you see, the right hand, before I move on to the other hand. So once I'm done brushing off the powder, I am then going to use this nail tool to clean off any of the powder that got stuck to my skin from the base coat. So I like to use this tool. If you don't have it, you can always use a nail clipper, but I have this nail tool from another nail kit that I had for a few years, and I find this really helpful to dig into places around my nail to give that clean look. Apply the activator, because once you apply the activator, then you'll need to either file the powder off, because then it's, you know, already hard and it's not as easy to take off. And then once I'm done, I am then going to apply a second coat of the base coat right on top of that powder and immediately dip it into the powder. And I'm just going over it just to make sure that I have enough of that base coat for the second coat. Sometimes the powder on the nail doesn't allow enough base coat to cover the entire nail after having the powder. So that's why you may see me go over the nail twice, because there isn't enough powder, there isn't enough base coat to cover the powder. And I'll be doing that to finish off this hand before I move on to the next. So once I am done, I am going to then brush off all of the extra powder off of each nail. Notice that I am brushing off on top of the little bottle, so that any extra that I can save, I'll have it, because I usually put more on my nails than needed. So once I'm done, I am now ready to apply the activator. What the activator is going to do is harden the powder so that I can file and continue on to brush it up so that it looks nice and neat. So after finishing my other hand, I am now ready to buff my nails. So I am just going to buff it so the top is nice and smooth, and just shape out the nails so that they're even, and when I apply the top coat, it's not all over the place. It, guys. Look at my nails. I am absolutely in love with them. It looks like I definitely got the salon look, and this is how I keep up my nails every 2 weeks. And if you're interested, then you can check the description box for more details. Thank you for watching today's video.